Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. So let's go. The first thing you want to do is go and tap on your profile on the bottom right hand side of your screen, and you will get onto this page. Here you will have the opportunity to tap on the three lines on the top right hand side of your screen, and you'll navigate to settings and privacy. Now in settings and privacy, you are going to scroll all the way down to the bottom under support and about, and you are going to tap on report a problem. Now, once you are in this menu, you will have to define what your problem relates to. So I'm going to go into interactions, and then I'm going to go into follow. Okay, and then you will have the opportunity to choose one of the issues from the list. So we're going to say other, and from other, you can't find your problem here. What will happen is you'll go down to the bottom and tap no for the is your problem resolved. And once you tap no, you'll have the need more help option. And this will give you the opportunity to type in and speak directly to a consultant from the help and support team. So here you can explain that you would like to unfollow everyone on your TikTok account due to whatever reason. You can also maybe add a screenshot of your home screen with your followers count. And then you just tap on submit right here at the bottom. And then within, say, a day or two, you will get a response and you can have your entire following list unfollowed. If this was helpful, please do drop us a like, show some support. We'll see you next time. Cheers.